Schuler. Now today we are going to continue our lesson 3 from our book for Klasse 10 Deutsch Creative Interactive. So in last video we have learned till page 61. Now we are going to continue from page 62. Drei a vier. Mule Trennung. Separation of a mule. So mule means garbage. Now Frage 1. Welches Bild passt? Ordne die Wörter zu den Bildern. So here some words they have given which you have to match with the photos. Meanings of course you know, you will get in the description box. Let's read. Energiesparlampe, Deckel, Cola Dose, Eierschalen, Briefumschlag, Grüngras, Zeitschrift, Teebeutel, Marmeladenglas, Ketchupflasche, Braunglas, Spraydose, Papiertüte, Milchtüte, Orangenschale. Okay, so one I can solve for you here. These are the orange schale. Okay. Now the next one is with the Sede. Okay. So but this Biofal, Altpapier, Gelbersack, Sondermühl, Altgas und Restmühl. All these words meaning translation you will find in the description box. Next question is also with the CD, and see they have particularly shown here how the biofile will look. Okay, all the biological this bioproduct mule garbage you can put in a brown color garbage tin. Okay, garbage bucket. Now yes, wir machen jetzt 3a5 umweltfreundlich oder umweltfeindlich. So are you your umwelt nature friendly or the against the nature protection? Okay, so that is umweltfeindlich. So what they are telling us, siehe die Mülltonnen, see the mule container von Familie A und Familie B. See here, Familie A ka Mülltonne and Familie B ka Mülltonne. So with this you have to define their lifestyle or how they are living. Gewohnheiten, Familie A. So Essen, eating, trinken, drinking, transport and Freizeit, free time activities. Now that you have to write here. Means what, students? See, Familia A, what all things are related to food in their garbage can, that you have to write here. First you can see the chips packet, then in a Getränke you can see cola. Okay, colas tins are there. Then transport, so anything related to the transport bill or something that you have to write. Then Freizeit, free time activities. Okay, so anything related to the free time activity, then any bill or something is that you have to write here. Okay, so telephone Rechnung will come in their Freizeit. Okay, in a free time if you are calling on a telephone bill, so that that will come in the Freizeit. Same you have to do for a Familien B. This telephone Rechnung will come here. Bus und Zugkarten, so bus and railway tickets will come under transport. Okay, so like this you have to differentiate. Now here you have to write deine Familie. So see in your garbage tone, that mule toner bucket, what all things are there related to Esse. Is there any Gemüse or Alter Obst, whatever there in your garbage tin, that you are supposed to write here. Okay, so do this activity and then we will be discussing it in the class. Some more questions they are asking you here. Was glaubst du? What do you think? Familie A, wie sind die Familie A und B? How are the Familie A and B? umweltfreundlich, umweltfriendly, or umweltfeindlich. So that is the against the nature. Warum and why? Diskutiere. So we have to discuss this. Fährt oft mit öffentlicher Verkehrsmittel. So students, öffentlicher Verkehrsmittel means public transport. If you will see Familia Bay, they have this tickets, Bus und Zugkarten, which are very good. They are using the public transport. Okay, so they can be the umweltfreundlich. Then verbraucht viel Energie. Lots of energy they are using. Storm, benzene. Storm means light and benzene means petrol, diesel. Lebt ungesund. Who is living unhealthy? Who is having lots of chips packets and colas can in a garbage box? This is Familia A. Then lebt umweltfreundlich. Who lives umweltfriendly? Surrounding friendly, nature friendly. So that you have to write down in a sentence form, or in front of this 4 you can just note down this 4, and in front of this you can write which are following that, Familia A or B. Okay, write down in your notebook and send it to me. Next, und deine Familie and your family. Lebt ihr umweltfreundlich? Do you live surrounding nature friendly or umweltfeindlich, or the enemy or against the umwelt nature? We and how? So what they have given here, some things which we can do, and you have to differentiate that which one is surround umwelt nature friendly and which are against the nature. So one example I will tell you, this. Zum Einkaufen keine Tasche mitnehmen. If you are going for a shopping, you don't take a bag with you. So that means you are umweltfeindlich. So in a shopping mall, you are not using the cloth bag, you are using the plastic bag. Wasser sparen, to save the water. Storm sparen, save the energy. So all these things, meanings you will find in the description box. Now I'm just gonna read for you, and then in a notebook you have to make these 2 columns. One you make umweltfreundlich and next umweltfeindlich, and then in that column you have to add all these activities. So let's read. Wassersparen, Stormsparen, Mülltrennen, mit dem Auto fahren, duschen, so weit wie möglich Produkte in Glasflaschen kaufen. Keine Take-Möbel kaufen. Lichter ausschalten. Kleider waschen unter 300 Grad. Energiesparlampen anschaffen. Kleider mit chemischen Farben kaufen. Getränke in Dosen kaufen. Energie sparen. Eine Gemüsegarten anbauen. Mit einem Solarkocher kochen. Okay. And now this you can write this in a sentence form. Wir sparen Storm. We are saving the energy. Wir haben in jedem Zimmer nur Energiesparlampen. So we have in every room only the energy saving lamps. Wir haben sogar eine Solarheizung für warmes Wasser. So we even have a solar water heater plant. Okay, for the warm water. Now, was kannst du für die Umwelt tun? Was kannst du für die Umwelt tun? What can you do for the surrounding nature? So here some thoughts they have given, and in a yellow one you have to write your own thought, idea. So let's see. Schalte das Licht aus, wenn du einen Raum verlässt. Du spart nicht nur Strom, sondern auch Treibhausgase. Okay, so this is the one thing which you can do, meaning you will find in the description box. Second, wo möglich benutze zu Hause den Strom aus erneuerbaren Energien. Sprich mit deinen Eltern darüber. Next, Stellar keine warmen Speisen und Getränke in den Kühlschrank. Er braucht sonst viel zu viel Storm, seine Kühltemperatur zu halten. Öffne auch die Kühlschranktür nicht unnötig und schließe sie wieder möglichst schnell. Kühlschrank is a fridge. Next. Verminder Strand by Betrieb by Technischen Geräten. Selbst in Deutschland kann man damit 14 Millionen Tonnen Treibhausgase einsparen. Umso besser fürs Klima. Okay? So, all these ideas you have to write down in your notebook in German plus the translation. And then your own idea in German you have to write, which we will be discussing in the class. Now, next. 3 die Umwelt und der Umweltschutz. The surrounding or the nature and the nature protection. Schutz is a protection. So, kennst du diese Umweltschutzgebiete? Do you know all this nature preserved area? Wofür sind sie bekannt? It is famous for what? So, here all they have given the states of India, okay, and the Umweltschutzgebiete, the nature preserve park. So, Bandhavgarh National Park, Corbett National Park, all this. So they are belonging to where? That you have to match, okay, and it is famous for what? Famous for lower, lion, tiger. So that you have to find out from the internet and you have to write. So Uttar Pradesh has there is a Bharatpur bird sanctuary and it is famous for Fyogel. Fyogel means birds, as it is a bird sanctuary. Okay. So do this exercise in your book and then send me. Next. Tierisches fascinierend. Okay. So some fascinating things. Weißt du? Do you know? Manche Vögel werden mit offenen Augen geboren. Ente und Gänse zum Beispiel. So some birds they born with open eyes, okay, and some examples they have given. Then, of course, this translation you will get down. Würmer können bis zu 10 Herzen haben. Oh. Dann Polizei. Einen Moment. Polizeihunde, die auf Drogensuche spezialisiert sind, drehen durch und werden aggressiv, wenn sie etwas entdecken. Bombenhunde müssen dagegen ganz ruhig und passiv werden, wenn sie auf etwas stoßen. Okay. Sehr interessant. Es gibt einen Schmetterling in Afrika, der genug Gift in seinem Körper hat, 6 Katzen zu töten. Oh, so a poisonous butterfly. Then, es gibt mehr als 50 verschiedene Känguru-Arten. Okay. Das Gift der Phoenix Cobra ist so giftig, dass 1 Gramm 150 Menschen töten kann. Okay, the poison of the king cobra. And the last one, eine Ameise kann unter Wasser bis zu 2 Wochen lang überleben. Okay, about the Ameise. Okay, so all these facts you will find amazing things about the animals. Now, okay. Now students from 3BA, they are starting with the degrees which we will be learning in the class, not in this video. Okay. Yes, so Yes, till page 70 it's all related to the degree which we will be learning in a class. Okay, the remaining video, in the next video we will learn the remaining lesson. Till then, choose.